Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight ETFs with massive momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering the iShares Gold Trust, ticker IAU, a leading physically backed ETF holding actual gold bars in secure vaults designed to precisely track the spot price of gold with a low expense ratio and high liquidity. 2025 has been a landmark year for gold. Prices have shattered multiple records, recently surpassing $4,200 per ounce in late December amid relentless central bank buying, persistent inflation concerns, and strong safe haven demand. IAU has delivered outstanding year to date returns exceeding 130%, with shares pushing to new all time highs around $84 as of December 28th on robust volume and continued inflows. With gold's bull market firmly intact heading into 2026, IAU remains a premier vehicle for precious metals exposure. More records on the horizon? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or diversify. Like for more commodity ETF breakdown, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now, guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I love you so much. We'll see you in the next one.